Hello, I'm Chuck Becker, and I'm going to take about a minute to show you how you could take an APA source citation from a database. So let's say you're in one of our databases. This is our mega search. I did a search. Here's my search up here, hip dysplasia and canine. And I got a bunch of results. So I say to myself, okay, the second result, I want to use this. So I click on the result, and I'll notice on the right side of this result that there's all this Google Drive ad folder and so on. If I click on this Cite button, I get the citation formats, and I can scroll down. I can take this APA citation right here. I can copy it, okay, and this has a DOI number, so I don't have to do anything more. I can go to my Word document and I can paste it in. Now when I paste it in, it's good to use this merge formatting. So I've now pasted it in. This is all I need to do other than set up. I go to paragraph, hanging indent, because I have to set up the hanging indent and I have to make it double spaced. And that's the APA citation. If I want one above it, references, we'll center that over. That's the start of my references. Now, I do also want to point out, before we go any further, is that if I went back to that database and I emailed it to myself, here's the email box, cbecker@pima.edu, and then I changed the citation format to APA and I sent it to myself, it's going to give me the citation in APA format. So that's another method to get the citation directly to you. You can take the citation out of your email, and I'll show you that next.